Alright, well, my name's Steve. I've been with Acura for about 7 years now. Basically started my career here. Lance is a great guy, great company to work for.
Hi, my name's Lance from Accurate Plumbing, and we're here today in historic Haddonfield replacing a sewer line and a water service. And what we have here
Hi, my name is Mike. When experience counts, it's Accurate Plumbing.
is actually the sewer line inside the building is split where it goes through the wall. So we have to replace it through the wall.
Pipes fail from roots, they just fail from age. Some of the piping systems that we work on are 60, 70 years old. Have fair pricing for everyone. We're a flat rate pricing company. We provide a price to everyone before we do any work. Concerns I have when someone works in my house: are their shoes clean? Are they going to be neat and orderly? Are they going to be professional? So every job that we do and our customers, we work as if it's our own home. And that's very important to us. Customer satisfaction is number one. We're back here in Haddonfield on day 2. We've completed the replacement of the sewer and the water service. We've gotten our inspections. We're ready to backfill our trenches. This is a piece of the water service that we removed. We discussed earlier galvanized water service. So if you have a galvanized water service in your house, this is something that you want to consider replacing. So we're going to get at it here and get this done, and we'll be ready to move on to the next job. Thanks for watching.